Burn out. To work so hard that you become exhausted or ill. Tom was almost burned out by the age of 35. Call off. To stop an activity, to cancel something. The strike of the factory workers was called off because of the bad weather. Carry out. To complete a task. More research will be carried out before the book is published. Keep up with. To be updated, to stay equal with others. Lawyers have to keep up with the new laws. Knock off. To stop working, to end work for the day. There is no one at the office because they knocked off early. Knuckle down. To start working in a serious and focused manner, to work without distractions. It's about time to knuckle down and finally finish that project. Lay off. To stop employing someone, to make someone redundant. Our company laid off 50 employees last week because there is no work for them. Put off. To postpone something such as a meeting, to delay. Since we can't reach the decision today, I suggest we put off the meeting until next week. Take on. To hire someone. We are thinking about taking on someone to look after our grandmother. She could use some help in the house. Take over. To start to control something such as a business or company. After Mr. Bradley retired, his son took over the business. Check in. To register at a hotel or airport. We need to check in at the hotel before 3 p.m. Bring up. To care for a child until they are an adult. My parents brought me up to be respectful towards others. Get along. To have a good relationship, to like each other. Despite their differences, they managed to get along during the project. Turn off. Stop the operation or flow of something by means of a tap, switch, or button. Please turn off the TV. It's too loud. Get over. To recover from an illness or an emotional shock. It took him a long time to get over the loss of his pet. Throw out. To discard something. He threw out the old newspapers. Chill out. To relax, to calm down. Let's chill out for a while and watch TV. Go on. To continue. The show must go on despite the technical difficulties. Look out. To be careful, to watch for danger. Look out for cars while crossing the street. Come up with. To suggest or think of an idea or plan. They came up with a brilliant solution to the problem. Look forward to feel pleased and excited about something that is going to happen. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the party tonight. Look up, to search for information, to improve. I looked up the definition of apathy in the dictionary. Bring in, to introduce something new, such as a product or a law. The new marketing strategy brought in more customers. Give in, to surrender. Eventually, he gave in and agreed to their demands. Set up, to establish or to frame. They set up a new company to pursue their business idea. Get through, to succeed in contacting someone by telephone, to reach someone. I can't get through to her. Look for, attempt to find someone or something. I need to look for my keys. I can't find them. Put on, to wear clothing or to stage a performance. She put on her favorite dress for the party. Come across, meet or find someone or something by chance. I came across an interesting article while browsing the internet. Run out of, to finish, use, or sell all of something so that there is none left. We ran out of milk, so I need to go to the store. Take after, to resemble or to imitate. He takes after his mother. Stand for, to represent or to tolerate. This party stands for low taxes and individual freedom. Show off, to display one's ability or positions. He's always showing off to his classmates. Hang on, to wait. Hang on, I'll be right there. Put out, to extinguish or to convenience others. Would you mind putting your cigarette out, please? Point out, to draw attention to indicate. If you see her, please point her out to me. Put down, to criticize or to insult. Why did you have to put me down in front of everybody like that? Move out, to leave one's current residence. Her landlord has given her a week to move out. Pass out, to inflate or to distribute. I was hit on the head and passed out. Pick out, to choose or to select. She picked out a pink dress for me to try on. Sit down, to take a seat. Let's sit down and discuss this calmly. Run into, to meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into an old friend at the street. Set off, to cause something to happen, to activate. A fire alarm set off and everyone had to evacuate. Show up, to arrive, to appear. They showed up to the party an hour late. Think of, to consider, to ponder. I can't think of anything else to say. Dress up, to put on formal clothes. to wear a costume. I'm going to dress up for the party. Pick up, to go to get someone, to collect something. I'll pick you up at 8 o'clock. Wake up, to stop sleeping and become conscious. I always wake up early on the weekends. Turn on, to start something so that it begins to function, to cause something to become active. Can you turn on the light, please?